I got a bellyache. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine because, you know, nighttime skincare is basically the same as like morning skincare and afternoon skincare routine, but I'm gonna call it nighttime skincare routine because I'm doing it at nighttime. So yeah, I'm going to use this Badescu Rosewater spray. I use this like every single day, morning, night, before makeup. Yeah, and I'm just going to spray it on my face. And then people normally leave it like setting like that, but I do this. And then I'm going to take this, the Body Shop. It's the Body Shop Aloe Soothing Day Cream, and it says day cream here, but I still use it at nighttime because, yeah, I don't know, I think it just does the same thing, so I just do it like that. For the sake of this video, it's a nighttime routine, and I mean nighttime skincare. I'm going to use this Nivea or Nivea, I don't know how you say it, Pure Natural Rejuvenating Night Cream. And this is an actual night cream, and I'm just going to put on just a little. There you go. I'm going to put this, it's a tester. It's the Badescu Vitamin C Serum. It's oil serum, so it's a bit messy if you spill it, but it's 66 bucks, so it's a bit expensive, so I just got the tester. It's the Badescu Vitamin C Serum, and I'm just going to put it there, and I'm just going to like massage it. I don't do much for my skincare because, yeah, and then I'm going to spray this again just to make it a little fresh. Just to, because we need the freshness. Okay, so I'm back. And then I'm going to take this natural Pawpaw lip balm. Well, this is an ointment, but people use it as lip balm here. So I'll just do it like this. It's an all-purpose skin aid. You can use it on, it says relieves, soothes, protects and restores, and I use it for lip balm, and it's so good. The last thing, like my nighttime skincare, is this Badescu drying lotion, and this works so good. It removes pimples, acne, if you have acne, pimples, blemishes. And I'm just going to take this cotton bud, and what you have to do with this, because not a lot of people know what to do, I don't know if you do, but you take the pink stuff. You don't shake the bottle, that's not how you do it. You take this, and then you get the pink stuff, and then now you get the pink stuff, and then what you do is you just spot treatment like that. Well, some of them aren't like that big, but oh my god, it stings. It stings. So that's what I do. It looks a bit crazy, but that's okay because you're only gonna be home. And I'm gonna leave this overnight, and yeah. So that is the skincare routine. I'm gonna leave this on. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. It's really quick video so you wouldn't get bored. Yeah, bye, good night. It's 12 in the morning. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment down below anything you want, check description, I don't know.